Our primary design goal was to create a device that was recyclable. For most of the projects the engineers work on, they find ways to make their products sustainable and potentially reusable. By using materials like cheesecloth that wasn't cut, we were able to dry the cheesecloth and, in theory, reuse it. For optimization, we wanted to only use one material, activated charcoal, because it is the most effective media for water filtration.
During the construction of the filter process, it performed well. Once the charcoal was cleaned and dried, almost all the dye was removed during our trials. As you can see from the data, our filter did remove the dye in the water and continues to show signs of a failure curve. Unfortunately, we stopped testing to complete the curve because our session had ended. Overall, the performance of the device was proactive at removing dye. When it came time for the actual performance of the filter, it tanked. The housing was pushed in a little too tight in the plastic cup that it caused the clear water to flow up the sides and onto the table. The total cost of the filter comes to $180. The breakdown of the filter is as follows.
6x2 housing, $100. Tape, $10. Cheesecloth, $15. Activated charcoal, $35. Filter paper, $15. Plastic cup, $5.
Our first design was to use pebbles as the base, charcoal in the middle, and glass beads on top. We saw that the charcoal and the pebbles were getting mixed together, and with the plastic mesh on the bottom, the charcoal was going through the pebbles and the mesh. Our next step was to find something that could stop the charcoal from going through, so we resorted to cheesecloth and removed the pebbles. We began to test our new design, and the charcoal began to come through the cheesecloth.
Eventually we resorted to a piece of filter paper in between the cheesecloth, which we kept the charcoal from falling through. If we had more time for the filter, we would try to find a better way to keep the charcoal from falling out. We would also try to find the most effective amount of charcoal that would remove the most dye. We would also try to build an external reservoir, that way we'd be able to collect 1 liter of water.